Hi children, welcome to grade 4 English and this is our session number 2 in chapter number 9, The Lost Camel. And before getting into our today's session, let's recap what we have seen in our earlier session. Yes, we have learned our new words in chapter number 9, right? Yes, inhabited, amicably, dominion, peculiar, affirmative, colic, indications, malady, redress, deficient, induced, conjectured, gnats, contracted, pagodas, sagacity, bestow. I hope you're clear with all these new words, right? Yes. And we have also seen, did you know? Yes, in Hinduism, Allahaburi is a mythical city and it is the home of Kubera, the king of the Yakshas, and he is considered as the lord of wealth. And this story, we are going to learn that wisdom and its use in the right manner always makes us successful. And now let's read the story The Lost Camel. Yes, there was a city called Allahaburi and it was very famous for all the riches that sea and the land on earth could yield. And it was inhabited by people speaking different languages. In this city reigned a king and his name was Alakesa. He had all the excellent qualities of a ruler. He was a very just and kind king. During his reign, all the animals cow, tiger, cats, rats, kite, and parrot everything lived together in a peaceful manner and in harmony. The king provided his people with all the facilities and they lived in plenty and happiness. One day, a rich merchant lost a camel in Allahaburi. He searched for it in all the directions but he couldn't able to find it. At last, he reached a road which led to another city called Maduraburi. And Maduraburi was ruled by a king named Maduresa. Maduresa had four excellent ministers under him, and their names were Bodhatya, Bodhachandra, Bodhavyabhaga, and Bodhavibhishna. These four ministers, for some reason, displeased with their king Maduresa, they quit his rule and set out for another country. And as they were traveling, they observed the tracks of a camel. Each made a remark after seeing the indications on the road about the peculiar condition of the animal, even from the footsteps of it. And here you can see the four ministers, they were discussing about the lost animal by seeing the indications on the road. On their way, they met the merchant who was searching for his camel, and during a conversation with him, one of the minister asked him if the animal was injured in one of its legs, and another minister asked if it was blind in the right eye. The third minister asked if its tail was very short, and the fourth one asked if the animal was suffering from colic. They were all answered in the affirmative by the merchant. The merchant agreed to all the things said by the four ministers, and he was convinced that they must have seen the animal somewhere, and he asked very eagerly to them about where and when they saw the camel. They replied that they had seen the traces of the camel but never seen the camel itself. The merchant accused them that they have stolen the animal and immediately went to the king Alakesa for solving this problem. On hearing the merchant's story, the king was equally convinced and he also thought that the travelers must know something about the animal and he asked them to confess the truth. How could they know? He demanded. that the camel was lame or blind, and whether the tail of the animal was long or short, or that it was suffering from some sickness, unless they had it in their possession. The king thought, unless they saw the animal or they had the animal in their possession, how could they know these much details about it? In reply, each of them started to explain the reasons which made them to express their belief. And children, I hope you are clear with this part of the story. Today we have seen the first part of the story. So read the story thoroughly until this part, and we will see the remaining in our next session. And let me tell you the home assignment for today's session. Read chapter number 9, The Lost Camel, story in your concept book, page number 135 to 137 thoroughly. And you have to complete workbook questions, that is question number 4. Find words from the story which have the same meaning as those given below. Here they have given you the meanings. So based on this, you have to find out the suitable word for these meanings. Clear? You have to refer the story and new words, and you have to complete this. And then question number 5. During King Alakesa's rule, animal and people lived very happily. Do you agree with this? Support your answer from the story. And sixth question. How did the 4 ministers come across the merchant who was looking for his lost camel? How they met the merchant? This is what you have to write here. Refer the story and answer these questions. After completing this, you have to hand in your completed work in grade 4 English Google Classroom. Stay home and stay safe, children. Thank you so much.